Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I got 2,500 followers on my Facebook page in less than an hour, using a site called SocialPlug. If you're trying to grow fast on Facebook, or just boost your page's social proof, this might be the trick. Let's dive in. So, first things first. This website right here is called SocialPlug.com. They offer all kinds of services for social media: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter. All right, so I'm on the homepage. I'm going to click on Facebook, then choose Followers. They have different packages: 500, 1,000, 2,500, even up to 10,000 if you want. I'm going to go with the 2,500 followers package, which costs around $49. Here, write your address mail. Now, I paste the link to my Facebook page. After that, I go to checkout. You can pay with credit card, PayPal, or even crypto. I'm using my card, but of course, I'll blur out my details for privacy. Order placed. Now, according to the site, it takes around 30 minutes to a few hours for the followers to start arriving. So I'll cut the video here and come back once things are moving. All right, I'm back after about an hour, and check this out. My page went from 200 followers to 2,700 followers, just like that. The followers look real, profile pictures, names, etc. So yeah, the 2,500 followers came in clean. If this video helped you, drop a like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And let me know in the comments, would you ever try SocialPlug? Or